In this video, I bring you a different kind of besan halwa, which is unique from the other besan halwa and is different in taste. So you can must try. If you like the content of my videos, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup of besan, also known as chickpea flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil. I am taking a olive oil which is healthy. You can take a desi ghee or any other oil of your choice. 1 cup of milk, as I mentioned you, we are making different kind of halwa, so it requires 1 egg. Some dry fruits. I am taking 7 to 8 cashews, which I already crushed into small pieces. 7 to 8 almonds crushed. Some raisins. I am taking a green raisins. If you have black raisins, you can take that. 3 to 4 crushed green cardamom for the flavor or the essence. Now break 1 egg into the milk, mix it well and keep aside to add to the mixture later. On medium flame, take a pan. We are going to make this halwa on the medium flame only. Add the besan into it and we need to cook the besan until it becomes light brown. It will take approximately 7 to 8 minutes to cook this besan. Once the besan is brown and cooked well, add 1 cup of oil into it, mix well. It will take 45 seconds to 1 minute to mix the besan well in the oil. Once it's mixed well, now it's time to add the milk with the egg. Mix the egg again in the milk and add to the mixture. Now with continuous stirring, mix all the mixture well until it dries up. Cook for another 2-3 minutes. You will see that the mixture will start releasing oil. At this stage, you can add the green cardamom into it to give the taste to the besan halwa. Now we need to cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes with continuous stirring. You can cover with the lid for 2 minutes. Open the lid, stir it well, then cover the lid again and cook for another 2 minutes. Open the lid, stir well We are going to do this continuous until 8-10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, when the besan cooked well, we are going to add the dry fruits and 1 cup of sugar into it. We need to cook and stir well until sugar mix well in the halwa. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to mix sugar well in the halwa. Once the sugar mix well in the halwa and the halwa look like this, it means our halwa is now ready to serve. You can try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. It's very easy to make. In total, it will take 20 to 25 minutes to make this halwa. This halwa also tastes like a Moogi halwa, like a halwa made from the lentils. So try this different kind of halwa at your home and get a different taste of the besan halwa, which is very easy to make and is very yummy. This is a final look of the halwa, which is very good in taste. So you must try at your home.